Celery is a popular vegetable, but there's more to this plant than the stalk alone. Celery seeds are less common, but still tasty and nutritious. Today, celery seeds are most commonly used as a cooking spice. However, they're also available as a supplement in extract or capsule form. Though small in size, celery seeds are of great nutritional value and provide many health benefits. Here are 4 surprising benefits of celery seeds. 1. Support bone health. Your bones require certain vitamins and minerals in varying amounts to stay healthy and strong. Celery seeds contain many of these important nutrients. One of the most well-known minerals for bone health is calcium. 1 tablespoon of the seeds provides 12% of the RDI for this mineral. When your calcium intake is inadequate for extended periods, your body compensates by pulling calcium from your bones. This may lead to a lower bone mineral density, which is a measure of the number of minerals present in a certain volume of bone. A lower bone mineral density is associated with an increased risk of fractures, especially in older adults. Some studies suggest that increasing your calcium intake may reduce your risk of fractures. 2. Promote red blood cell formation. Iron is a mineral essential for producing red blood cells. These red blood cells deliver oxygen from your lungs to other parts of your body. Celery seeds are a great source of iron for both men and women. 1 tablespoon of celery seeds provides 17% and 38% of the RDIs for women and men respectively. Without enough dietary iron, your body cannot produce enough red blood cells. As a result, you may develop iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency is the most common micronutrient deficiency worldwide, but eating more iron-rich foods has been shown to lower your risk of deficiency and subsequent anemia. 3. May improve blood sugar levels. Magnesium has many functions in your body, such as improving blood sugar levels. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is important for reducing your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Celery seeds are a great source of magnesium, with 1 tablespoon providing 12% of the RDI. Magnesium plays an important role in blood sugar control and helps increase your cell's response to insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. 4. May have antioxidant properties. Celery seeds may also have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that prevent cellular damage caused by molecules called free radicals. Your body requires a healthy balance of antioxidants and free radicals to maintain optimal health. This may be explained by the presence of polyphenols in celery seeds. Polyphenols are beneficial compounds in certain plant foods. Larger studies have linked polyphenol-rich diets to a lower occurrence of cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Interestingly, some people use ground celery seed to make tea. You can make your own by pouring boiling water over 1 tablespoon of ground seeds and steeping the mixture for roughly 10 minutes. Strain the seeds from the water and enjoy.